Welcome. My name's Annie Lynn, and I am an online digital entrepreneur and a coach. Please join my Facebook group today, Zero Boss Community. I created this group because I want to educate and provide information to everyone who are looking for an online opportunity to make a passive income. Or for those of you who are feeling stuck at a job and want to work from home. Or those of you who are looking to start an online entrepreneur full-time. In this Facebook group, I will constantly give out information where I feel that there's an online marketing platform that is legit and will quickly help you start an online business without overwhelming and complicated setup. This is my favorite quote, how to quit a job you hate. I really want to share this with everyone. Does this quote ever cross your mind sometimes? And for those of you who want freedom and zero boss and want to leave that 9-to-5 job, do you ever ask yourself how? How do I really make a mission to quit that day job and start earning online and have my own team like a franchise? Today, I am introducing you Yoonla Evolve. This is really a highly recommended digital platform. It has a solid, reputable review with decent payout, and it's not hard at all. If I can do it, I'm sure you can do it. This is especially good for newbies, intermediate, and advanced marketer. So I'm giving you some basic information about Yoonla, and later on in this video, we will go live on how to start with Yoonla Evolve. Reno Van Boven is the founder of Yoonla Evolve digital platform. Currently, he has over 1.5 million members taking the first step in creating their digital lifestyle business from scratch. Yoonla is an affiliate advertising and a CPA cost per action program. Rather than getting paid per sale, you get paid per action. With Yoonla, this activity is getting people to subscribe to Yoonla, and it's as straightforward as just having them supply an email and a password for their accounts. The goal is to continue building a platform that helps everyone succeed and everyone the opportunity to live a digital lifestyle they love. Isn't that wonderful? Yoonla Evolve, this is not a scam and this is not an MLM. Now, if you feel this is a scam and it's an MLM, it's not for you, please stop. You probably asked yourself, how do I start with Yoonla Evolve? You must have a PayPal account in order to get paid. You must create a free account with your best email. You must click the free upgrade and become an elite member. You need to purchase 2 tools, web hosting service and an autoresponder. Why do I need a web hosting and an autoresponder? It's just like any other online business. You need a website. Once you create a domain name, Yoonla Evolve will create a website for you, and they'll set up your email autoresponder as well, so you can communicate with your members. You will receive $2 to $4 commission for each member who signs up depending on which country. How much commission can be made per lead/referral? Now for $4, if you have members that sign up from USA, UK, Canada, Ireland, Australia, and New Zealand. If you have members that sign up from Pakistan, Venezuela, Niger, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Uganda, and India, you don't get commission, but they can still become your member. But you just have to show them how to become an elite member. It's very simple. Now, countries with moderate commission, that's $2 per lead. It's any country that's not in the above 2 list. Now finally, you also get $30 per lead/referral once any member upgrades to an elite member. So it's very important that you educate your team and let them know that it's crucial for them to sign up and become an elite member. Okay? And you want to make sure that they're really serious about this. Finally, some housekeeping rules for Yoonla Evolve. We must not cheat the system, be ethical. This is a very legit platform, and we want to be transparent about everything. We follow the rules of Yoonla Evolve. We don't try to put duplicate emails to make a quick buck. Yoonla support team will not pay you. You will not get paid for it. We don't promote false information to the audience. Now, we're done with the theory. Let's go live. First, make sure you sign up to my Facebook group, Zero Boss Community. This is the link, and this is what my Facebook group looks like. Second, you go to the link, you click on it, and you can just fill out your information, your name, and your email, and create your account. Then you get to this page. It says, thank you, please activate your account. Please read everything. I mean everything. Check your email inbox now. We just sent you a link to activate your Yoonla Evolve Starter membership. As soon as you click the activation link in your email, you will be able to create your password and access your Yoonla Evolve Starter membership area. So, if in your email you don't see anything, make sure you go to spam. Spam is here. It's probably here. Okay, if you don't see it in your inbox, make sure you activate it and create your password so you can continue to the next step. Now you get to this page. Look at this. It looks like it's so complicated. It's not, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly what it is, okay? You're going to upgrade to an elite member right away. Don't be afraid of this number, okay? Become a Yoonla Elite. Free upgrade and priority setup available now. It's $297 value, okay? It's limited time only. Let them specialized teams set up everything for you. You can click on here, or you can go down here and see the yellow box. It says, Reno, I would like to claim my free priority setup and elite upgrade. Again, a $297 value. Click on this or click on this. Let's click on the blue one. It says, congratulations, free priority setup unlocked. I'm going to stop this, and I really want you to make sure that you click on this video. I want you to watch it from the beginning till the end. Why? That's going to help you set up an upgrade to an elite member. He'll tell you how to do step 1, set up your Yahoo Small Business hosting account. Very important. Now make sure that you're paying $53.01. $53.01. Again, if you can't do it, you don't know how to do it, and you don't see the right amount, please inbox me in my Facebook group. Step 2, he'll tell you how to set up your automation autoresponder with GetResponse. Again, please make sure you follow his instructions. And finally, this is where the upgrade begins. You see this form? First name, last name, your email, Yahoo Small Business domain name. Make sure you, whatever you create, when you sign up to Yahoo Small Business domain name and you create a username, I want you to write them down. The domain name, I want you to write down. Username, I want you to write down. The password, I want you to write down. Okay, they'll send you a link in your email. Make sure you write the order number down. And then for your get response, there's an order ID. I want you to write that down. Your get response API key. Okay, so Reno will tell you how to fill out this form as well. But the reason why I'm asking you to write the username down, the password, I just want to make sure that you remember it. Okay, so when you go to this form, you know how to type it. You know what to type. And then make sure that refer affiliate ID number, that's my team. So you make sure that you put my affiliate ID here. Okay, that's the end here, right here, my affiliate ID. It's very important that you put it down so you become under my team. Okay, so and also I want to show you that this is a get response. Okay, so this is the email marketing. This is the dashboard of get response. Whoever signs up to your team, they will get an email, several emails. And all these free emails will be provided by Yoonla Evolve. And I don't know how familiar you are with it. Now, if you don't know how to set these up, let me know. I will create a training video, so I will show you how to do it step by step. Step by step. Okay, now we're going over to my sales track affiliate link dashboard. Now I'm going to show you why it's legit right here. This is my affiliate ID. You will get one. That means that you are actually an affiliate with Yoonla Evolve. Then you can start earning earning commissions. I'm sorry. And this is all the commissions, right? As you can see, like I said, $4 from Tier 1 countries and 0 from those countries that are excluded to receive commission, right? But they didn't upgrade. So I need to let them know to upgrade it, right? And $2 from those countries that it's not Tier 1, right? So this is perfectly legit, and not been very active for this month because I've been really busy trying to create a very, very simplified version training video for you. Okay, so as you can see, these are declined. Why? Because they're duplicate. Again, I mentioned it in my video, saying that if you put a duplicate, you will not get a commission. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Finally, I just want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope this is very helpful to you. Now again, if you are really serious about this, click here to create your free account right here. Okay, and this is my affiliate ID number. So make sure that you put me down and to become part of my team. And I'm looking forward to this journey with you. Okay, so have a wonderful day. Take care.